In the heart of the bustling village square, Rahul, Raj, Arjun, Vicky, and Sanjay gather, each radiating distinctive charm. Anamika's arrival electrifies the scene, as each brother vies for her attention, displaying his unique gifts. Sanjay strums a heartfelt melody, his eyes locked on Anamika, as she listens intently, contemplating each brother's affections. In the dimly lit room, 5 brothers watch Anamika, their faces shadowed with anticipation. Anamika breaks the heavy silence. "I will marry the one who makes the greatest sacrifice for me." The brothers remain still, each contemplating Anamika's words. In the heart of the village square, Sanjay steps forward, guitar in hand, his eyes only for Anamika. In a moment of stark finality, Sanjay shatters his guitar against the earth, the sound resonating through the square. Anamika watches, stunned, as Sanjay declares, "Because I am willing to give up what I love most for you. My music is my life, but you are more precious to me."